In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to play fantasy football on FIFA World Cup 2026 app. Let's get started. First, make sure you have already downloaded FIFA World Cup 2026 app on your device. Then provide your credentials and log into your account. Now, once you're inside the app, navigate to this section, Play Zone, click on that. Inside this, you're gonna find the section of FIFA World Cup Fantasy. You will need to click on that. Now you will enter the official World Cup Fantasy game where you can build your dream team. After selecting your team, you can set your starting lineup for each match day. Pick your captain wisely because they usually earn extra points based on their performance in real matches. Now here's where it gets interesting. Your players earn points based on real-time live performances during World Cup matches. Goals, assists, clean sheets, and overall performance all contribute to your fantasy score. You can also join public or private leagues to compete with friends, family, or other fans around the world. This makes the experience more fun and competitive throughout the tournament. Make sure to check the app regularly to update your team, transfer players, and adjust your strategy based on injuries, form, and upcoming fixtures. And that's it. This way, you can easily play fantasy football on FIFA World Cup. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.